Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Trump eyes a national Bitcoin stockpile if re-elected, sending BTC into the green. Nvidia faces potential sell-off amid price momentum concerns. Warner Bros. Discovery sues NBA over Amazon telecast rights deal. Intel's estimates drop while AMD remains steady according to Bernstein. Pitney Bowes offloads part of its e-commerce business to startup Stored. Dexcom hits multi-year low following guidance cut and downgrades. 3 million experiences its best stock day ever with an optimistic outlook, signaling a fresh start. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more about these headlines and their implications. Bitcoin turned positive after former President Donald Trump announced he would include the cryptocurrency in a strategic national stockpile if re-elected. Initially down 1%, Bitcoin rose 0.9% to $68,063.30 following Trump's remarks at the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, Tennessee. Investors can track these exchange-traded funds: IBIT, ARKB, GBTC, BRRR, BTCO, HODL, BTCW, FBTC, BITB, and EZBC for Bitcoin, BITQ, DAPP, BKCH, Block, and CRPT for blockchain technology.
Donald Trump, once a critic of cryptocurrencies, will support the industry at the Bitcoin 2024 convention in Nashville. The Republican presidential nominee and his running mate J.D. Vance promise lighter crypto regulation compared to Biden's crackdown. Trump has raised over $4 million in cryptocurrency donations from notable advocates like the Winklevoss twins and Ripple's legal chief Stuart Alderete.
Nvidia stock, listed on the Nasdaq as Nvidia, may continue to decline short-term, says Raymond James analyst Javed Mirza. The stock is down 7.2% over 5 days and 8% in July. Technical indicators suggest a potential 16.9% further drop if it closes below its 50-day moving average.
Warner Bros. Discovery has sued the National Basketball Association for breach of contract after the league signed a broadcasting deal with Amazon. The lawsuit claims Turner Broadcasting System, now part of Warner Bros., had rights to match third-party offers but was ignored. Warner Bros. Stock rose 4% despite being down 27% this year.
Intel and Advanced Micro Devices will release their second quarter financial results next week. Intel's earnings are expected to be lower due to losing its Huawei export license, with estimates now at 8 cents per share on $12.74 billion in revenue. AMD's third quarter estimates were slightly lowered to 87 cents per share on $6.5 billion in revenue. Both stocks have recently declined, with AMD down 10% and Intel down 5%.
Logistics startup Stored is acquiring the e-commerce fulfillment services operations of Pitney Bowes, according to a report. Pitney Bowes stock rose 12% in after-hours trading. The company confirmed the sale, noting it was a small part of their business. The strategic review of their global e-commerce segment continues.
Dexcom shares hit a 4-year low after cutting its full-year revenue outlook and reporting mixed Q2 2024 results. The stock saw its largest intraday drop ever, with nearly 48.5 million shares traded. J.P. Morgan and Baird downgraded the stock, citing internal issues and competition from Abbott Laboratories.
3 million company stock surged 23% on Friday, hitting a 2-year high after exceeding second quarter earnings expectations and raising its full-year outlook. The company resolved legal issues and spun off its healthcare business. New CEO Bill Brown aims to streamline operations and boost performance.
Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates on the market. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.